Hello, I found another fantastic zucchini recipe. We make cabbage rolls, but from zucchini, this is very tasty dish. One of the best recipes. We thinly slice the zucchini like this. I do it this way with a regular knife. I've gotten used to doing this my entire life. I often make rolls, but be careful. Don't injure yourself. You can slice the way you feel comfortable, and it needs to be as thin as possible. So you'll easily roll it into a roll. Season with salt, gather in a bowl and leave it for a bit. The remaining pieces we'll chop finely. We'll use them in the stuffing. For the chicken mince, about 300 grams. We add the chopped zucchini. Boiled rice is added here. I take about the same quantity as the meat. Tanya, zucchini rice is just super. Add lightly fried onions, salt to taste, any favorite seasonings, and black pepper. Mix it well. Drain the zucchini's liquid. I also rinse them under running water. Put more minced meat onto the zucchini and twist it into a roll like this. Adjust it with your hands if somewhere it has torn. That's okay because it will keep its shape after baking. Put our a la cabbage rolls into an appropriate baking dish. For the sauce, add 2 or even 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 200 or 250 g of sour cream, 1 or 1.5 glasses of water, dried garlic, black pepper, and your favorite spices. I don't add salt because the zucchini is salty. Mix everything well, and by the way, I also added a little more water. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Pour it over the rolls. Of course, you can cook all of this in a frying pan or in a multi-cooker, or bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Serve the dish hot. By the way, it also tastes very good when cooled. Sprinkle herbs on it and enjoy it with pleasure. Thanks for your comments and likes. I wish you a pleasant appetite, a good mood, peace and kindness.